Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can create a violent effect on CapCut PC. Just select image you like to edit, and I'm just going to add animation. Select combo animation, select the zoom to, and add the same image and go to animation, select combo animation and select zoom 1. So for the animation, you can adjust for duration until full, which is 2.0 second, and you are just going to select the clip and just copy paste. You can select the another image, but here I'm just going to add the same image. So you are just going to add effect, select check, tap on add to track and adjust for duration until the end of the clips. And here we go. So this is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.